Hi everybody, today I will talk to you about my topic enriching physical activity in the Journal 2. Actually in the Journal 1 I already got 3 smart goals: running, swimming, playing sport game, but I don't think so it's working well with me. So now I choose another smart goal, that is jogging for 20 minutes in the morning and evening from Mondays to Saturday, and I think that's good for me now and in the future because I can control that one. Also, in the first time I do that one, I can do because I always think I can get up early. The outside very cold, and I can't. I don't want to get up. Yesterday I left very late and I don't have any purpose to do that one. But now I got a purpose because I know if I originally activity physical act absolutely have me in the reduce the stress and decrease the way to jogging, and I already know that will happen because I already tried 2 weeks and that will happen. Now I decrease about 3 kilograms, and I always feel my mental better. I study more, I can think so much, and I do very well in study, and I can control my life, and I got many things to do in the future. Yeah, and if in the future I have time, I will looking for more smart goal I can do for increasing physical activity. For example, if I have time, I will swimming 3 times in the swim, look nearly like in the Journal 1. Thanks for everybody to hear me.